Foxtrot traffic, Lima November Yankee Delta Mike, radio check.
Er 280 I dag? Det bra.
Foxtrot traffic, Lima November Yankee Delta Mike, entering runway, backtracking 28 for lineup. Foxtrot traffic, Lima November Yankee Delta Mike, take off runway 28 with a left turn out.
Speed alive.
Foxtrot traffic, Lima November Yankee Delta Mike, over at Fiskum, 2,500 feet, doing some airworks, 3,000 feet and below. Foxtrot traffic, Lima November Yankee Delta Mike, heading south from Fiskun and will be leaving the frequency for Paris. Bye-bye. Ja, Paris, Lima November Yankee Delta Mike.
Lima November Yankee Delta Mike, Paris.
Ja, Lima November Yankee Delta Mike, south of Fiskum, request routing to Arendal Gullknapp and to enter your airspace at 4,000 feet.
Lima Delta Mike, squawk 3311.
Squawk 3311, Lima November Yankee Delta Mike.
Lima Delta Mike identified, enter Paris and climb 4,000 feet, QNH 1017, inbound Gullknapp.
QNH 1017, 4,000 feet, Lima November Yankee Delta Mike. Paris, Lima Fox Papa.
Det hjelper litt med governeren også for å få litt mer trøkk.
Would like to climb to 5,000 feet.
Lima Fox Papa identified, enter Paris and climb to 5,000 feet.
Climb to 5,000 feet, Lima Fox Papa, thank you.
Pilot 400 Tango, descend initially 5,000 feet.
And 5,000 feet initially, Pilot 400 Tango.
Pilot 637 Delta, Paris slow, information Bravo is valid, copy RMP, you can expect vectors later on for sequencing, you are number 2, and descend when ready 6,000 feet, QNH 1017, be advised uncontrolled airspace below flight level 905 for the next 10 miles, now reported traffic.
Han kommer seg den nå, tror jeg. Han er veldig høyt.
When ready to 5,000 feet, Pilot 637 Delta.
Det står ikke noe om høyde her.
Ryanair 6X uniform, contact Polaris 118875.
Står det ikke noe høyde her? 2005, det er jo kjedelig. Men altså selve approach. Jo, ikke 2005, ja. Ja, stemmer. Hvem av dem skal du ha? Ja, vi kan jo fly inn på Nesverk.
Pilot 400 Tango, contact Torp 11865.
11865, Pilot 400 Tango.
5,000 feet, copy 170 feet. Ryanair 43 Papa uniform, descend to 3,000 feet, QNH 1017, and clear RS approach, runway 36.
3,000 feet on QNH 1017, coffin cleared for RS approach, runway 36, Ryanair 43 Papa uniform.
Lima November uniform, Lima Foxtrot, Paris.
Lima November uniform, Lima Foxtrot. Dette er traseen til Gullknapp Coastwise.
Ja.
Just coming up to Langsund at 1,500 and squawking 7,000. Negative flight plan.
Kommer det en på høyre side her.
Fox, squawk 3316.
3316.
Fra Skien. Han skal ned til Gullknapp.
Max 7016, thanks for cooperation, clear direct to T2 now.
Under 3000 feet, pilot 637 Delta.
Lima Delta Mike, contact Kjevik 119.995, so long.
Contact Kjevik 119.950 for Lima November Yankee Delta Mike. Bye bye. Kjevik, Lima November Yankee Delta Mike.
Nå tror jeg du får standby.
KLM 76, Quebec, it was double transmission. Could you say again, please?
Kjevik, Lima November Yankee Delta Mike.
Lima November Yankee Delta Mike, Kjevik.
Ja, Lima November Yankee Delta Mike, inbound Arendal Gullknapp, walking 3311, 6,000 feet, just south of Porsgrunn.
Lima Delta Mike, clear to enter Kjevik TMA, VFR at 6,000 feet, QNH 1019er.
QNH 1019er, clear to enter Kjevik control, 6,000 feet.
Lima Foxtrot Papa, clear to leave controlled airspace, identification terminated, and frequency change approved for Gullknapp 129er, so long.
129.9, Lima Foxtrot Papa, thank you, so long.
Blir det aktivitet der nå da? Da blir det 05 da.
And Skyhawk 06 Victor, right down in runway 03, request touch and go.
Ha noe med rullebane i bruk, eller? Nei, da har jeg spurt om det.
Victor, wind 320 at 8, runway 03, clear touch and go.
Runway 03, clear touch and go, Skyhawk 06 Victor.
Det er jo så ekstremt dårlig nettverk her oppe.
Gullknapp traffic, Lima November, uniform Foxtrot Papa, nettverk 2000 feet inbound. Ja, uniform Papa, Lima November Yankee Delta Mike, vet du hvilken rullebane som er i bruk på Gullknapp? Negativ, Lima Fox Papa. Fox Papa, det er mottatt, Lima November Yankee Delta Mike.
Der fikk jeg meldinga 05 i bruk. Tenker vi begynner å dra oss ned, ja. Ja.
Kjevik, Lima November Yankee Delta Mike. Lima Fox Papa, backtracking.
Lima November Yankee Delta Mike, Kjevik.
Request to start my descent to Gullknapp and leave your frequency for local traffic Gullknapp.
Lima Delta Mike, clear to leave 6,000 feet and clear to leave controlled airspace. Report passing 3,000 feet.
Report passing 3,000 feet. Lima November Yankee Delta Mike. Kjevik, Lima November Yankee Delta Mike.
KLM 76 Quebec, push and start approved, QNH 1019er. Lima Delta Mike, Kjevik.
Ja, Kjevik, Lima November Yankee Delta Mike has passed 3,000, now soon 2,500 feet. Request to leave your frequency for local traffic Gullknapp.
Lima Delta Mike, roger. Identification terminated, frequency change approved for Gullknapp 129.9er, so long.
Changing 129.9er, bye bye. Gullknapp traffic, Lima November Yankee Delta Mike, just pass Nesverk inbound for full stop landing. Ja, Gullknapp traffic, Lima November Yankee Delta Mike, 2,000 feet, entering downwind west of the airfield. Skyhawk Zulu Yankee, hold on left downwind, runway 05. Traffic in sight, Lima November Yankee Delta Mike, downwind for 05 and will be landing as number 1. Does that work for you? Skyhawk Zulu Yankee on left downwind, holding, looking for traffic. Okay, Skyhawk, traffic in sight, Lima November Yankee Delta Mike, 1,900 feet, downwind, landing as number 1. Traffic inside, Skyhawk Zulu Yankee. Ja, Gullknapp traffic, Lima November Yankee Delta Mike, left base 05. Skyhawk Zulu Yankee, looking for track and joining left downwind runway 05 for touch and go.
Det blir også egentlig greit her nå.
Final 05, Lima Delta Mike. For touch and go with traffic on final inside.
500.
Lima Fox, 3 nautical miles south of field, coming in for right downwind 05.
Ja, bra vind nå, altså.
Skyfox Zulu 2 Yankee turning left, base runway 05 for touch and go. Lima Fox have traffic on the left base, 05 in sight. Lima Fox right downwind.
Ja, da bra.
05.